how to draw in CAPCUT PC. So if you want to draw in CAPCUT PC, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your CAPCUT. And let me tell you that unfortunately we don't have the draw option in your CAPCUT PC, but what we can do is just remove the CAPCUT and search for Paint. You can go with Paint 3D, and here you need to go with New, and you'll have this kind of interface. You need to go with the Canvas section, and here you need to turn on the transparent canvas. Now you need to go with your brushes and then just start painting or start drawing. So choose the color and then choose the brushes and draw. After drawing, you need to go with menu, which will be in the top left, and then go with save as. Go and save it as an image. Go with save, and now you can go back, open up your CapCut. Go with import, and then go with downloads, or it might be saved on your pictures. You can go with it, and then click on the file, click on open, and that's it. That's how you can draw in CapCut PC, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. And if you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.